You can provide excellent medical treatment at Taipei Veterans General Hospital or National Taiwan University Hospital, but health examination tourism may not be suitable for these hospitals because it may affect other patients with other needs. Imaging medical equipment is an area with much business potential. The most important thing is that we have enough talent. It is a fact that Taiwan's current biotechnology research and performance lag behind some developed countries. But the whole world is confident that biotechnology will become one of the most important developments for the future. This is especially true with the constant evolution of diseases, such as the number of cancer types. A third of the entire human population will be threatened by cancer, which is to say that everyone has a 30% chance in their lifetime to get cancer. This deadly disease will strike 1 out of every 3 people in the world. Every disease and every patient has to be treated differently. Therefore, biotechnology is a very important development. Recently, we've heard many people discussing medical insurance, medical tourism, top-end medical health examination centers, etc. Taiwan's medical treatment standards are actually quite high, and its subsequent development potential is very high. However, we have to be careful during the entire development process because people still believe that bigger or more famous hospitals are more reliable. But these big and famous hospitals, for example, Taipei Veterans General Hospital, National Taiwan University Hospital, other medical centers, were built to accommodate the general public's huge demands for medical treatments. You can see that it is extremely difficult to get a bed in these hospitals' emergency rooms. It is the same in Chang'an Memorial Hospital. If you establish a health examination center and subsequently affect the treatment rights of the general public, this will become a big problem. As a result, we have to be very careful in the course of development, because we are not just providing health examination services. It really is not just health examination. We have to include consultation services on disease prevention. If the patient has any hereditary disease that will increase his or her chance of getting a certain disease, what changes they have to make to their current lifestyles, what to do when the disease strikes again, etc. Healthcare examination is really just one small part of the entire process. It has to be connected to the hospitals. We are very optimistic about the future of Taiwan's medical technology development. Just as we've discussed, we already have the necessary core capabilities. Likewise, in the information industry, regardless if it is software or hardware, we already possess certain capabilities. This applies to our precision equipment manufacturing industry too. Therefore, we can expect to achieve significant results in a very short time. Another area of concern is imaging. Imaging analysis diagnosis or imaging treatment will have a lot of development potential. If we have enough talent in these areas, we will be able to do very well.
If we combine the advantages of our IC in precision industries and our high-quality medical technologies, Taiwan has the possibility to lead Asia in terms of biomedical treatments. If we reinforce cross-industry talents cultivation, it will become the most important topic in the next few years and one of the critical factors for Taiwan to gain global standing in the industry.